She says, what are you doing? We're trying to get some Bengal up, and you're sleeping, so...
Could you dream some luck
dream about some luck on there? Okay, because these are my favorites. I could get a trifecta on there. Yes.
You could get me some snacks, too, she said.
I could. All right. We have my favorite tickets. Tickets 3 and 4.
All right.
And we have 2. These are from New York State. $10.
Set for life.
Set for life.
What do you got to get?
You got to get a match, or you can get a coin.
Your favorite.
Or you can get a star and win 10 times the prize. Oh, 27, 17, 4, 16, and 20. All right. So we got 4 is our lowest number, and then we go right on to 16, 17, 20, 22, 27. All right, so let's go.
Come on, coins.
10. No, we have a 20.
And you can get life on this, which is, what is it, $5,000 a week for life.
$5,000 a week for life.
We'll take that one.
Yeah. 26. No, we have a 27. 12. No 12. 25. No 25. And no. And then over there. All right, next row. Oh, 30. We have a 20. 28. So close. We have a 27. 14. No. Oh, little baby 1. 24. Not today. Come on, tickets. 5. 23. Oh, they're really teasing me.
Off, yeah.
8. Lucky 13. And our last number is a 3. We have a 4. All right. So that ticket, no good. Boy, that's dirty.
You have a lot of scratcher dust.
A lot of scratcher dust on there. No. All right. Next ticket. Ticket number 4. We have a 17, 23, 14, 3. There's a 3. There's a 1.
And their last ticket. Those are winners.
Yeah. And chicken legs 11.
Wow, a lot of unique numbers.
I guess. 1, 3, 11, 14, 17, 23.
Yeah.
Oh, 16.
One off.
30. Oh, that's way too high. Chicken legs 11.
Winner,
ding, ding, ding,
winner.
ding, ding,
and
ding,
you
ding,
won on the
ding.
chicken legs.
My favorite number. But now I want a coin.
Right. You need a coin.
I need a coin.
I would be happy with a star, too.
5. Oh, a star would be fantastic.
Both of coins.
I don't
Lots
know
of
if
coins.
I've ever gotten a star.
You've gotten a star, I think, twice.
18. Whew.
A couple summers ago.
I got a 17 and a 16, but no matches. 4. No, I have a 3 and a 1. Can I have them together?
You're taking half of the 14.
28, way too high for this ticket. 19, no. 7, no.
There
Coin.
you go. You wanted your coin.
There you go. My coin. Now we'll go for the star. 29, way too high. 25, a little too high. 20, a little too low. 24, oh, so close to that. 23. I'm on 23, our star. And an 8. So we have 2. We have the 11, chicken legs 11.
Yep.
And we have a star and a coin.
Right.
So what should we do first?
The 11.
The 11? Let's see. $10.
All right.
And under the coin, we have $10.
Live to scratch another day.
That's right.
You want your money back. That's
And
what.
all my money back on that one.
Good job.
All right. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. And thank you for all the holly luck.
Oh, you're welcome. She says, can we get some snacks now?
And what do you say? Good luck with your scratching.